the structural and linguistic aspects of the Quran, yeah, it couldn't have been from a human being. Why? Because the way the Quran is laid out, with the mentions of certain words, certain times, certain amount of times, yeah, with the syllables in a certain way, with the rhyme in a certain way, it couldn't have been mapped out because the Quran is a responsive revelation. So in other words, let me give you an example. Someone would come to the Prophet and ask him about, like for example, Dhul Qarnayn, an individual called Dhul Qarnayn. So it says, yes, Alunaka an Dhul Qarnayn. They ask you about Dhul Qarnayn. Say this. They ask you about this, say this. They ask you about Ar-Ruh.
Yeah, like it's God talking to the Prophet. Say, yeah.
But it all depended on what? People came to the Prophet and asked him a question, and the Quran is responding to people, right?
Right then and there.
Yeah, right then and there. There was no editorial process, it just happened, yeah?
And that would always be the angel Gabriel every single time.
Exactly. Now here's the thing. Like, I'll give you an example. Yeah, this is a simple example. It's been used many times, but I'll use it again. Surah Baqarah is the biggest chapter in the Quran. It's got 286 verses, yeah? In the Surah Baqarah wasn't revealed in one go. It was revealed over 2.5 years, yeah? Now, in the middle of Surah Baqarah, it says, وَكَذَلِكَ جَعَلْنَاكُمْ أُمَّةً وَسَطًا. We have made you a middle nation.
Yeah.
That's mentioned in
the very middle.
In the middle of it.
And it wasn't like he said, it wasn't revealed one time.
Yeah.
Imagine you've got a screen, pixels are coming here and
it
there.
It couldn't have been,
pixels,
it's
and
stuff
then it
can't
becomes a
be
picture.
premeditated.
How is that
possible? It can't be premeditated, but I'm telling you, wallahi, it's when you understand this point, this is the strongest evidence for Islam being true. If people understand and deep this point, it takes a bit of mental work, but this is the strongest evidence, bigger than the prophecies, bigger than everything.
Yeah.
Because this one shows you the Quran is like a pearl necklace. Each pearl is being added to a string, and when you add the string together, it creates a pearl necklace, right?
Pattern.
But it's like he said, patterns, bro. The patterns could not have been predicted.
Yeah, even the word.
They could not have been predicted.
Even the word orbit. The word orbit, when you divide those letters, like they're like
it's like orbiting, yeah.
Like mirror. No, it's like a mirror. It's like a mirror. Like each
palindrome and stuff.
Yes, palindrome. Like it's bro. You can read it either way.